In this video, I want to talk about how you can make a pie chart on Trading 212. Now you can use the website or you can use the app. All you gotta do is head over to the pie chart section and there should be a big create button. Unless you already made some, then you can click down here and click create pie. Then simply in here, what you want to do is add the instruments. So what this means is adding the stocks or ETFs or whatever you want to put in here. So I'll just select something random since this is just to show you guys. Now, obviously you should select the ones that you actually want and not just some random stuff like me, but I'll just show you for the sake of the video. So I'll just add, let's do these 5, go next. And then in here, you can choose how much of each you want to put in here. So it needs to be 100%. So let's just do 20 for all of them. And you can see that will now be 20%. Now you can also do 30 for one and then 10 for another. You choose as long as it's 100. Then go next and you can choose auto invest or manually. So basically auto invest, so it will automatically do it. Or if you want to do it by yourself, press next. And in here you can see the projection. Now I have mine in Danish kroner. You probably have yours in your own currency. And then you can change the initial deposit and the monthly ones and over how many years. And you'll also be able to see the graph from here. Then simply press next, give it a name, and that's how you do it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.